Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.Exchange. As expected, markets consolidated. Though GIFT Nifty was indicating 100-150 point higher opening, but that as soon as the market opened, the market came into selling pressure slightly. Then, except for the first 10-15 minutes, the whole day Nifty future was trading between 25,000 and 25,100. That is such a very, very narrow range. And option premiums fell as the India VIX has fallen by another 2%. Only in the last 15-20 minutes, the put prices have gone up by 3 to 4 rupees because, naturally over the weekend, so something, yesterday it was a blockbuster rally. Over the weekend, anything can happen. Monday, market can gap down. So with that expectation, the put premiums have gone up by, say about 3-4 rupees. And if you look at 24,000 put option, which was trading around 12 rupees until 3 p.m. After 3 p.m., it went up to 15 rupees. So moreover, these far out of the money options, like maybe I guess people are selling put options nearer, buying that far out of the money options, so increasing the prices. That maybe some other reasons. So these far out of the money options, increasing from 12 rupees to 15 rupees, that's about 20% increase in the premium. That too when the markets are not falling in the last 15-20 minutes. For the last many months, I've been observing this pattern. After 3 p.m., both call and put premiums are increasing to some extent. So otherwise, it is just a consolidation. European markets are looking good. US futures are also looking good. But ours is, because yesterday it was a blockbuster rally. So like no markets rallied yesterday, but our market has rallied. US markets, for fifth consecutive trading session, S&P 500 is likely to trade positive, and they're inching towards 6,000. So we have already taken out the important psychological level of 25,000. We are just exactly about 5% away from all-time high. Similarly, US markets, so if they take out 6,000, then they will be only about 2.5% away from their all-time high. Their all-time high is 6,150. So right now they are about 4% away, not even 4%, I think 3%. So they are only 3.5% away from their all-time high. Nasdaq is also about 3%, 3.5% away from all-time high. So globally, the markets are looking very good. And the only thing which I do not understand at this point of time, why, the bond prices are so low or bond yield is so high still. In an economy, when the inflation is low, the markets are doing well. Logically, US interest rates have to go down. But still, if you look at even the 10-year bond, I think that is trading around 4.5% yield. So that, because I'm not a big economist, so I do not understand. But I expect it because I also invested in US bonds actually. So I never thought that people can lose 10-15% of their capital by investing in US Treasury bonds. So as and when the interest rate goes down in US, the markets can only go up. So as I told you in the morning, yesterday evening also, we are just only 5% away from all-time high. But this is only a May series. So we have 7 more months for this year. So there is every possibility that Nifty may take out all-time high. But then, maybe the December month, usually which is a dull month, and also Bihar state election results will be influencing the market in the month of December. So anyway, they are all very, very long term. But short term, Reliance is looking good. Just in the last few trading session, it has shot up like 50, 60 rupees. So HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Reliance once again in play. Today, though Nifty has fallen, the broader markets have done well. Mid cap, small cap, next 50 all ended in green. And today, IT index has fallen. So without IT index picking up, there is no way, Nifty can touch all-time high. So sooner or later, just one day, last Monday, Infosys was up 7%. I think IT index was up about 6%. So, but now they are consolidating. So some kind of a rally is required in IT stocks so that our market can move further higher towards all-time high. So there was some news in IndusInd Bank. It was indicating 10% gap down in the pre-market. But despite that, so that also recovered very quickly. Even, in fact, the Bank Nifty today has outperformed the Nifty. Nifty was down, but Bank Nifty was up. So anyway, today the first day, positions are being built. Like 25,000 short straddle people are taking because 25,000 combined premium is around 400 rupees. So that indicates a range of 25,400 on the higher side and 24,600 on the downside. So as long as the market is trading in this range, the people who are taking short straddle will be making money. Otherwise, more calls are written from 25,100 to 25,500 and more puts are written 24,800 to 24,500. So the broader range for next 1 week is 24,500 to 25,500. So rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.